Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can notify users when their comment is approved in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins and add a new plugin. And when you write here, you want to write comment approved. Right here, you're gonna see it here. So this one, let's activate it. And now when I'm going to click here, dear blah blah blah, okay, you can just add it, update, and voila, this is how we do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya.